You are going to love the 2022 F-150. A Ford F-150 knows how to handle any situation. It's built to follow orders, no whining. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power retractable running boards, perimeter alarm, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power adjustable pedals. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.